Actually, when you did Sandeep Bhaiya, and after that, now over here, doing Yodha as a commercial success, the journey has definitely been very difficult. But you are nowhere near connected to this industry at all. Like completely different roots hai, background hai. How was it like managing to become an actor?
See, I always knew that if you don't have any godfather or you don't have connections, you have to back yourself, the skill. देखो, I always feel that जो मोहब्बत होती है ना लोगों की, वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी होती है. तो आपके ये छोटे से जो decisions होते हैं ना, villain या choices, these are very small things in front of that.
Namaste Darshako, I am Manjari Mukherjee and you are watching me on Not So Mainstream, streaming exclusively on Pop Diaries channel. Here is where we unravel unconventional journeys lived by some of the most conventional and loved artists. Well, today also we have this kind of only a personality with us. He's very special. Today on Not So Mainstream, I have someone for you who has literally carved his own niche in the industry with his unconventional journey and his roles, wherein the shades, he's not just given us shades actually, he's given us a complete rainbow of roles when I say that. Because उनके characters के रंगों ने कुछ ऐसा रंगा है हमारे दिलों को कि now we can safely say that he is the most versatile actor that we in the industry are blessed with. Yes, he's a blessing. Well,
बस कर पगली रुलाएगी.
दिल से उन्हें हम संदीप भैया कहते हैं, but today I have to say that I want to call him Jallal because the bad boy always wins for me. Well, Yodha के character में to be in Charcha because of his Yodha character, well, let's welcome the one and only Sunny Hinduja.
Thank you so much. काफी देर रुका मैं introduction पे, but very sweet of you. Thank you.
I had to give
आपके
it
तो
a
नाम में ही जी है, तो फिर अब क्या ही बोले.
अरे
है ना, मुखर्जी.
Oh wow. I love these jokes. But on that note, did you expect the kind of reaction that you've been getting for your character in Yodha? First of all, I have to know that.
I
because
didn't expect the kind of introduction that you gave. I'm happy with that also.
Thank you so much. But I have to say this कि जब मैंने Yodha देखा खुद as an audience, I enjoyed the film a lot. First of all, I have to tell you that I was really entertained. I loved the film and dialogues इतने अच्छे थे. मैं तालियां मार रही थी सीट से उठ के. And there was this thing when I went completely what, and that was your switch. The switch, yeah, the character. I saw the character. It was very charming, and I was feeling कि वाह बड़ा ही सुंदर मुखड़ा है, वाह क्या कैरेक्टर है. उसके suddenly एक switch आ गया, and I was like कि what happened, ये कैसे हो गया. So I want to know how's the reaction like for you.
My reaction to seeing your reaction is just amazing, and I'm just loving that by hearing people's reaction. That is what I feed off, and that is what inspires me. That is what helps me better myself. I'm just enjoying it, and I'm glad and happy that so many people like you are loving it, and that's our job. अच्छे से काम करो और बस मोहब्बत मिले, वही चाहिए मुझे, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Sunny, I was looking at the way how you've come all the way to doing Yodha.
To Pop Diaries. So many years all the way.
We have been waiting for a very long time. That's very true. Actually, when you did Sandeep Bhaiya, and after that, now over here, doing Yodha as a commercial success, the journey has definitely been very difficult. But you are nowhere near connected to this industry at all. Like completely different roots hai, background hai. So how was it like managing to become an actor?
See, I always knew that if you don't have any godfather or you don't have connections, then you have to back yourself, the skill. So मुझे लगा कि and अगर कनेक्शन है तो भी आपको आपकी स्किल पे तो काम करना ही है, तो मेरे पास कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं था. तो I I just kept working on myself, and I knew that वही आगे जाके काम आने वाला है, बाकी कुछ काम नहीं आने वाला है. तो I tried whatever kinds of roles that I got. I tried to do the best of I tried to perform in the best of my abilities. उस वक्त की समझ के हिसाब से जो मैं बेस्ट कर सकता था गिवन टाइम में, जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा उसके. और वही चीजें मुझे सिखाती रही, क्योंकि हर किरदार की तैयारी के साथ मैं कुछ ना कुछ सीखता था, कुछ ना कुछ लेके जाता था. एंड आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर, और आई मीन एज एन इंडिविजुअल ऑल्सो, यू नीड टू नो लॉट मेनी थिंग्स. एंड एक्टर तो स्पेशली यू नीड टू नो एवरीथिंग ऑफ एवरीथिंग. सो जितना ज्यादा मिलता जाए, जितना ज्यादा सीखते जाओ. सो यही सोच के मैं चल रहा था. मैंने ज्यादा कुछ ऐसे प्लान्स नहीं किए थे, बट यही सोचा था कि बस काम करते रहूं मैं, और जो भी काम करूं वो सच्चाई के साथ करूं, शिद्दत के साथ करूं. और दैट इज व्हाट आई एम स्टिल डूइंग.
Oh, and maybe that is why people love you, because I think मुझे ऐसा मेरा मानना है, when you're an actor and every character that you get, a true actor is someone who completely, takes away his own personality and imbibes the person that he's being on screen. And maybe that is why I loved your Sandeep Bhaiya also, and then I'm loving you as Jalal also, and I'm loving you in every other role.
रेलवे मैन जगमोहन कुमावत.
Exactly. And I just want to see so many shades of characters, but कभी ऐसा fear नहीं होता कि मतलब people have loved you so much, in Sandeep Bhaiya's role, then you are doing negative roles. तो ऐसे कभी लगा नहीं कि maybe गलत भी पड़ सकता है,
देखो, आई ऑलवेज फील दैट जो मोहब्बत होती है ना लोगों की, वो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी होती है. तो आपके ये छोटे से जो डिसीजंस होते हैं ना, विलन या चॉइसेस, these are very small things in front of that. Like even now when people are seeing जलाल, तो उनको मोहब्बत ही है ना, क्योंकि लव इज अ बिगर इमोशन देन हेट.
True.
तो वो एम्पावर कर लेता है, वो उसको एनकम्पास कर लेता है. तो जब यूनिवर्स और लोग इस तरीके से इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, so then I should be the one who should just shut up and do his work without thinking much. So that's what I'm doing.
Wow. But that is very true.
Yeah.
When you are in love with a person or his personality and the way how he's showing across his hard work, it just comes across. It does looks very effortless, लेकिन पता चलता है कि कितना hard work गया है, and that's a lot of hard work, guys. And I'm gonna get on that also, because I have seen you doing action sequences with Siddharth Malhotra, and the moment you came in, the way how you guys were just vibing on the screen was beyond any words. I loved those scenes a lot. So on that note, I want to ask you, मुझे ऐसा personally, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला है, because when I'm trying to do something in life, and certain people have told me कि even if it's not happening, it's okay to give up. It's okay. It's okay to be comfortable with failures at times, because you should know the right time when you need to give up on something. But वो होता है ना, दिल में मानता नहीं है. You don't want to give up something that you really, really want in life. But has there ever come a point where you faced a failure and you had to be comfortable with it, or it has forced you to give up on something?
A failure? Of course, there has been time when I just kept working. कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा. There was a long stint or long number of years in my life when I didn't have any work. But I always look to in the past, and I always see something positive in it. ये सारी चीजें हुई हैं तभी जाके मैं शायद इतना सीख पाया हूँ. इस इंतजार ने मेरी भूख इतनी ज्यादा बढ़ा दी कि अब मैं इसको नहीं छोड़ूंगा. शायद ये चीजें पहले हो जाती तो मैं शायद इसे लाइटली लेता, शायद बोलता चलो हो गया. बट नाउ दैट इतने इंतजार के बाद, इतनी सब चीजों को देखने के बाद जब ये चीज मिलती है, तो उसकी एक वैल्यू, उसका एक ग्रेटिट्यूड, वो उससे बोलने के लिए नहीं है, वो महसूस करने के लिए होता है, और वो समय के साथ होता है. एंड प्रोबेबली दैट्स हाउ गॉड हैड प्लान्ड माय लाइफ. सो आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर दैट, एंड आई एम हैप्पी कि ये चीज़ें अभी हुई, पहले नहीं हुई. एंड नाउ यहाँ से वो और ऊपर ही जाना है, क्योंकि जहाँ अभी हूँ मैं उसको एक्नॉलेज नहीं करेंगे अगर हम जहाँ ऑलरेडी हैं, तो देन ऑल्सो अगर हम जहाँ हैं उसको एक्नॉलेज ना करें और ये सोचें कि वो आगे क्यों है, मैं पीछे क्यों हूँ और मैं अभी तक यहाँ क्यों हूँ, सो देन उस जगह की, उस चीज की वैल्यू नहीं। हम लोग के हम अगर हम पास्ट में जाके देखें, अभी भी अपने आप की लाइफ देखें ना, तो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी चीज है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी चीज है, क्योंकि फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग अगर आप कभी उन लोगों से मिलो जो सिर्फ 24 घंटे पंखा देखते हैं, probably they are on bed, or you meet somebody who is a child who cannot see, talk or listen, you know, spend some time with them, तो समझ में आएगा कि कितना ज्यादा खुश नसीबी है हमारी जिंदगी में, you know,
Very true.
कितना ज्यादा हम दिमाग चलाते हैं। तो आई थिंक we should keep simple, we should be happy and we should keep working for what we want. आज नहीं तो कल मिलेगा, मिलेगा ही मिलेगा।
Definitely मिलेगा. I want to know this also from you, the person that you are right now,
जी
okay, and the kind of roles that you do on
जी,
screen.
like जलाल।
People, like people cannot make out that, okay, so this is what actual Sunny Hinduja is. So I want to know कि संदीप भैया और सनी हिंदुजा के बीच में कितनी similarities हैं, अगर है तो।
आपने थोड़ा तो समझ लिया ना मुझे, थोड़ा
हाँ.
तो आप बता दो ना।
Okay, so I'll just tell you what so this is the first time I'm meeting him and talking to him, and from the time that I've met you first, वो high से लेके अभी तक, I can just say that one thing is very sure, that there's a very positive outlook towards life, and I really am taking a lot from it, because I tend to get very negative very easily on certain things. So जब वो मेरे हिसाब से नहीं होता तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा. So I get that, and I'm very impatient. My mom also keeps telling me, my whole family says, everybody around me, कि you are very impatient about things. So I'm taking that away from you also, because I feel that you are actually very patient, at least अब तक तो है. So in a way, I feel that that is something that I feel very similar. And the biggest point is definitely the outlook towards life itself. Keeping it so sorted and keeping it like, don't overthink about the other things. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Correct.
And just working towards that goal. And I think that is what has made you, what you are today. And I'm
still working.
Being influenced heavily. I really hope that I take away some things from you today.
Very sweet of you. Thank you so much.
On that note, मुझे एक चीज़ है, I want to know what was the most biggest rejection in your life, because rejections के ऊपर they say ना कि एक ऐसा rejection होता है जिससे तुम निकल ही नहीं सकते कभी भी लाइफ में, and we all face that rejection at least once. They always say कि वो एक हादसा होना जरूरी है to bring something out of you.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। जिनके साथ हुए हैं और वो निकले हैं तो वो बोल सकते हैं, बट आपको किसी चीज को एक्सेल करने के लिए या किसी चीज को कमाल करने के लिए कोई हादसे की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आपको इतनी, शायद आप में समझ नहीं है कि आपके साथ हादसा हो रहा है समझाने के लिए, ठीक है, बट इफ आई टेल यू वन थिंग, एज ह्यूमंस ना, लड़का लड़की कोई भी हो, हम लोग सारे के सारे स्पेशल हैं, बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वी ओनली स्टॉप आवरसेल्व्स। हम कुछ भी अचीव कर सकते हैं, सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, सब हमारे अंदर है, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट यू योरसेल्फ आर ब्लॉकिंग, क्योंकि जो चीजें हो भी नहीं रही होती ना, उसका हम ऑलरेडी दिमाग में परसेप्शन बना लेते हैं। तो जो है हमारा दिमाग जो है ना, वो एक्चुअली वो एक छोटा सा बच्चा है, लेकिन वो हमारा बाप बन के घूमता है, ठीक है। तो वी शुड लर्न दैट, अंडरस्टैंड दैट एंड डू थिंग्स अकॉर्डिंगली। आप काम करते रहो, मेहनत करते रहो। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ये कोई सिखाता नहीं है हमें, है ना, कि आप अपने काम पे मेहनत करते रहो, काम मिले नहीं मिले तुम करते रहो। आज शायद ऐसे ही किया ना आप लोग ने,
Exactly.
है ना, CEO। तो सी सो मेनी पीपल आर एग्जांपल्स, आप चाहे वो इन्फ्लुएंसर हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, कंसिस्टेंटली डूइंग योर वर्क इज द की फॉर एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, टू अचीव बेसिक, टू अचीव मॉडरेट, टू अचीव एक्सीलेंस, एवरीथिंग। फिर आपका हादसा अगर हो गया तो हो गया, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, इट्स नॉट कनेक्टेड टू दैट।
Let's just make the हादसा very good हादसा।
That makes, हाँ, हादसों को अच्छा बनाओ ना।
Exactly.
कि आज इस शख्सियत से मिला, ये हादसा था, इतना प्यारा शख्सियत या जो भी था, उसने इतना सिखा दिया, तो ये हादसा था हमारे लिए। ऐसे भी तो हादसे हो सकते हैं।
अभी हो रहा है, खूबसूरत हादसा ही है।
हाँ, तो हादसे खूबसूरत ही हो तो अच्छा रहता है।
Absolutely, completely agree.
जी।
And the way how you change my viewpoints, actually, you know what? I
हाँ।
came across the fact that you are from Indore,
जी।
and I kind of had this inkling ki, you know, you would be exactly like how I pictured you to be, very simple-minded and very, you know, ऐसे हंसमुख types as well. And he's been making me laugh since the
Oh,
time
you
I
have
met.
pictured this? Wow.
Yes, because I have met
True.
I have met certain people. I have friends who were from Indore
हाँ,
and in college, and they were exactly like this.
ऐसे ही थे।
हाँ, they're
वाह।
very simple-minded and बहुत ही simple रखता है अपने life को and very sorted. And I used to always feel a little envious कि इतने sorted कैसे हो सकते हो, मैं तो overthink कर करके वो हो रही हूँ. So I want to know, पर मैं खाने की बहुत शौकीन हूँ. And
हाँ,
apparently I've heard that इंदौर में खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है.
बेहतरीन।
So can you suggest me something because I keep traveling a lot.
इंदौर में आप राजवाड़े पे जाएंगे तो प्रशांत के पोहे, ठीक है,
Okay.
वहाँ पे पोहे, आलू की कचौरी, दही की चटनी में डूबी हुई, एक ये है। आप छप्पन पे जाइए, छप्पन दुकान, वहाँ जॉनी हॉट डॉग है। वहाँ की एक छोटी सी कहानी है, छप्पन में देयर आर टू जॉनी हॉट डॉग्स, ओके, वन इज इन द बिगनिंग एंड वन इज इन द एंड।
Okay.
हाँ, और वो एंड वाला बहुत फेमस है, वो बहुत
Okay.
चलता है,
Okay.
वहाँ बहुत लाइनें लगी रहती हैं। तो व्हेन आई वाज स्टडीइंग देयर, तो हम लोग को ना 2 महीने में एक बार दे यूज्ड टू टेक अस फॉर मूवीज एंड देन फिल्म दिखा के छप्पन पे 1 घंटा खाओ पियो और जाओ। ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम मैं सोचता था इस पे इतनी भीड़ है जॉनी हॉट डॉग पे, इसके क्यों ये दो नाम के अलग अलग हैं। सो आई वेंट टू द अदर वन, द फर्स्ट वन, आई आस्क्ड हिम कि अरे भैया क्या हाल है, दे दो हॉट डॉग दे दो, कि वो खाते खाते तो ऐसे डायरेक्टली नहीं पूछता हूँ, देना आज अरे वो जॉनी हॉट डॉग ये भी है, वो आपका कोई रिश्तेदार है क्या? तो ही इज लाइक अरे नहीं नहीं, वो अपने पिताजी का लड़का है, अपने पिताजी का लड़का है, मतलब क्या हुआ?
Brothers?
या बट दे आर नॉट
Related.
दे आर नहीं, दे आर रिलेटेड। वो लड़ाई हो गई होगी या कुछ, कि ही इज सेइंग मेरा कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, मेरे पिताजी का लड़का है।
But we will remember to go in the second one.
मुखर्जी जी की बत्ती गुल हो गई।
Yeah, like I didn't understand why two of them.
Anyway, तो वो जॉनी हॉट डॉग एंड देन आपके वो जो रेडियां चलती हैं उसमें आपके साबूदाना खिचड़ी, देन शराफा मार्केट, गराड़ू, गुलाब जामुन इन रबड़ी,
Wow, there's so many
then,
places and so many
उसी में
things to eat.
छप्पन में देन देयर इज पाव भाजी, बहुत कुछ है वहाँ पे खाने पीने
Wow.
को।
यार
ये तो मतलब बहुत ही
मिनी
लिमिटेड है,
दिल्ली है ऐसा लग रहा है. दिल्ली में खाने के लिए लोग
अलग ही है,
जाते हैं, ये
अलग ही है
अलग
वहाँ
ही
पे।
एकदम.
पोहे तो वैसे कहीं के भी खा लो अच्छे ही होते हैं, पर ये बेस्ट है यहाँ पे।
नहीं नहीं, पोहे सबके अच्छे नहीं होते हैं.
हाँ,
मेरे
पर
बहुत
इंदौर
गंदे
में
होते
कहीं भी खा लो।
हैं. मैं बनाती हूँ, बहुत गंदा होता है. Okay. I'm very eager, actually excited to know. As I kept telling you, ki I loved the whole camaraderie that you shared with Siddharth on screen. That whole climax was very good and very beautifully shot as well. But action sequences are not that easy to do. So I want to know what was the experience like. And this is something that has, you know, a lot of people who are not connected to the industry, and I know them, and they are like कि तू कभी मिलेगी तो पूछना उनको, मूवी देख के मैं बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ गए थे, तो मूवी देख के बोले पूछना उनको कि सिद्धार्थ के साथ कैसा है ऑफ स्क्रीन, क्योंकि दे आर वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो कि
Correct,
कैसा
correct.
होता है. तो व्हाट इज इट लाइक?
इज वेरी स्वीट यार, मतलब हम लोग डिस्कशंस करते थे सीन्स को बेटर करने के लिए, बातचीत करते थे, एंड वेरी हैप्पीली एंड नाइसली अच्छे से बातचीत होती थी, और एक दूसरे को सजेशंस देते थे कि कैसे बेटर कर सकते हैं, क्या चीज़ें हो सकती हैं, एंड whatever you know with the directors, जो सीन बेसिकली इज द मेन थिंग, दैट वो अच्छे से होना चाहिए, उसके लिए जो जो करना होता था वो करते थे, अदरवाइज व्हेन वी आर वेटिंग और समथिंग वो बात करते थे, वेरी वेरी नॉर्मल, लाइक probably how I'm talking to you, very
Exactly.
very yeah, simple like that.
Well, I've met him, so I completely second that.
Yeah.
And you know, after Yodha being the commercial success, before that you did Shehzada as well. But वहाँ इसके बीच में the difference that I found was over here you had complete freedom as an artist to take the character the way how you want to show it across to the audience. And what was the most difficult thing to do during the shoot of Yotha?
See, action was a little difficult. There was a great team, Craig and his team from South Africa. They trained me before the shoot, and then proper rehearsals, warm ups, and everything was done. So my one concern was that सारे moves वगैरह right होने चाहिए. And he's the main guy, and इसके moves है टेढ़े मेढ़े नहीं हो सकते. And like Siddharth, how sharp he is and how his moves are. So I was like कि at least ज्यादा ना हो पर कम भी ना हो, है ना, बराबर होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
ताकि फिल्म के लिए भी अच्छा रहे. And even he also believed कि as much villain strong होगा तो eventually hero उभर के आता है. So that stance and all those things I had to practice. That was a difficult thing, and of course, the kind of complex character it was to to play another side in the beginning part of the film.
Yeah.
And then to change over
and that was so cool.
ऐसे करके ना
Yeah, exactly. It was very cool. It was very cool, honestly. That was the high point. I was here, and then suddenly it was like a drop, and then we just went again wahan se, because the switch happened so fast, but it was so smooth. So I loved it. I loved it as a viewer. I enjoyed it, actually.
Thank you so much. Very busy.
So in the industry, I feel like when they are creating a lead hero for a commercial masala film, there's always a mainstream pattern or a kind of look which is very conventional, and they follow that. Do you feel the people who break that norm are generally not considered for these kind of commercial masala film lead hero characters?
I don't think so. There is any barrier or any thought left between conventional and, क्योंकि हम लोग इवॉल्व हो गए ना, ये सब लोग खूबसूरत दिखते हैं यार.
That's very true.
कोई भी, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप बढ़िया काम करते हो ना तो आप खूबसूरत लगने लग जाते हो.
True, very true.
बाकी चीजें तो पीछे हो जाती हैं. धीरे धीरे it's your personality which people see and not your face. So वो बनना है ना यार. क्या अच्छा चेहरा, अच्छा वो सब तो ठीक है, अच्छा स्किल बनाओ ना, तो जाके ऊपर वाला बोलेगा चलो तुमको एक स्किल दी, उसका तुमने अच्छा इस्तेमाल किया, उसको इतना टॉप लेवल पे पॉलिश कर दो कि ऊपर वाला भी खुश हो मरते समय कि भाई चलो अच्छा करके आया.
Wow. Super. That was a very eye-opening statement. No, because people do think कि अगर चेहरा अच्छा हो तो हीरो में अगर वो चेहरा दिखता है, so they feel very कि they fawn over it and they like it because it's a commercial masala film, so they like watching the face that they are watching on the screen. But there are also people, I've recently actually felt that कि I'm liking people who are actually doing a lot of good work, because the way how their personality comes through from the screen just makes me fall in love. Just ऐसे ही I fall in love with the way how they are on screen. So yeah, and that connects when I see them even in real. So yeah, I'm fawning over him.
This is eye opener for me.
Okay, now I want to know all your wish list things. So first I want to ask, from the time that you
अब ये टाइम पास कर रही है.
No, I actually want to know. Okay, so from the time that you started your journey in the industry to now, that one wish that you have accomplished and you were just completely okay that हाँ ये मैंने wish पूरी कर ली मेरी.
मेरी यही विश थी कि मुझे कुछ लोग प्यार करें, पर वो तो जो उम्मीद थी उससे ज्यादा ही हो गया है. इतने सारे लोग प्यार करते हैं तो मतलब अब even one of the interviews I said when I did the show Sandeep Bhaiya interviews nahi, when I got the award for the best actor for the show Sandeep Bhaiya, so aspirants, yes. And then the spin-off.
Yeah, the spin-off.
तो वो मतलब ऐसा सपना था जो देखा ही नहीं था, तो इसीलिए लिमिट नहीं करना है सोच के कि ये होना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए. Go beyond, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो इसीलिए आई एम नॉट लिमिटिंग माई सेल्फ एंड just if at all I have to focus, I'll focus on my work skill and how to better that each time.
You've already worked with so many Bollywood actors, so Bollywood stars as well. Who is that one Bollywood star that you really, really wish to work with? As you said, now beyond every thinking. So,
Frankly speaking ना ये जब भी सवाल आता है ना तो मुझे थोड़ा दुख हो जाता है because I always wanted to work with इरफान सर and नहीं करता, शायद अंत तक नहीं करता, पर उम्मीद तो रहती ना, तो वो एक मलाल है मेरे अंदर, पर हाँ I really want to work with like Manoj sir. I have worked, that was one of my wish list. Naseer Saab, I wanted to work with Om Puri Saab.
so many big people. That would have been magical. The first one would have been magical.
I wish.
So yeah, that's something that I also, we have missed out. We would have been blessed with a lot of talent on one screen.
Definitely.
We've definitely missed out.
Irfan Saab, matlab, he was going at next level. He had, I don't know, 2 or 3 films in Hollywood already lined up.
Yes.
And many films here.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so one actress that you wish to work with.
I would wish to work with Alia Bhatt.
Nice choice.
Nice.
Okay, nice. Okay, so one film director.
One nahi, there are many.
Top pick on it. Like
But-
एकदम top.
मतलब top पे ही है सारे, like I would love to work with Zoya Akhtar.
I would love to see her working with you.
है ना?
I'm curious now that I'm thinking about it because I've watched every film that she's done. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm just thinking किस तरीके का character लिखेंगे. It would be very nice.
Yeah.
Magical.
Let's hope for the best.
Fingers crossed. Please, Zoya Akhtar, work with him.
Yes, please.
Okay, before I let you go, the last thing, I know what makes you not so mainstream. Your characters, your journey, it's completely unique to you. But according to you, as Sunny Hinduja, what do you think makes you not so mainstream?
What is not so mainstream?
Like completely unique. Like ये मेरा है. It's like my brand of success because I really do feel that you've created your own brand of success.
But I'll tell you something. हर पर्सन अपने आप में यूनिक है. हर किसी में एक, मतलब एक नहीं, हर किसी में एक 2 या 3 ऐसी एक्सीलेंट क्वालिटीज होती हैं जो सिर्फ उसी में ही है. तो इस तरीके से हर कोई बना हुआ है. It's just that we don't identify it or probably we see it and we उसको नकार देते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है हर कोई यूनिक है अपने अपने तरीके में. It's just that कितना कौन कुरेद के क्या करता है उन चीज़ों से. तो ऐसा मुझे नहीं पता कि इतना ऐसा क्या है, but I just try to, what I try to do is try to be honest and try to be one with whatever I'm trying to do in life. Be it this interview. That's what I try to do.
Wow.
अब वो कभी कभी हो पाता है, नहीं हो पाता है, वो एक अलग बात है. बट एटलीस्ट मेरा इंटेंशन और मोटिवेशन यही रहता है कि जो करो पूरे दिल से करो, या तो मत करो.
Thank you so much, Sunny, for being here on Pop Diaries and giving us your time.
Thank you.
I've been really waiting and looking forward to this conversation.
Very, very sweet of you.
Thank you. And that was me, Manjari Mukherjee, only on Pop Diaries channel. Wait until the next episode of Not So Mainstream, stream exclusively only on Pop Diaries channel. And like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment on the comment box. And don't forget to click on that bell icon and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to breathe.